Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain the topic integration. In that I am going to explain volumes of the revolution. How to find the volume of the solid shape. Previously I have explained you the area under the curve and also area between curve and line. Now today I am going to explain volumes of the revolution about the x-axis and about the y-axis how it will. Actually, what is the volume of revolution? So when the area is rotated, about the x-axis 360 degrees of solid revolution. This is 360 degrees like this. If I'm rotating about the x-axis, not only about the x-axis, y-axis also is formed, then volume of solid is called this volume of the revolution. This total we need to find. How to find this volume? Here about the x-axis, this one. Suppose about the y-axis means suppose if the curve is like this, and about the y-axis means it will be forming over here like this about the y-axis. So this volume we need to find about the y-axis. Suppose if I am taking this C, this is D. Okay, this let us assume this A if I am assuming, this B if I am assuming. How to find this one? Let us assume. Means the values will be given, this 2 and 5. Example I have taken. So how to find this volume? Okay, so now see here. First of all, I'll write the formula. Volume is equals to pi into A to B y square dx. With respect to x, if you are doing means x values you have to consider. This is about the x-axis. Yeah? About the x-axis. About the x-axis. And if it is about the y-axis means volume will be some C and D. I am taking this diagram. X square dy. With respect to y means y values you should consider. So about the y-axis. Okay. So how to find this volume? See here. Let us take one problem over here. Here I have taken one problem. Find the volume obtained when the shaded region rotated through 360 about the x-axis. Means if I am extending this one, okay, about the x-axis means it will be rotated like this. It will be. So it will revolve in around 360 degrees. It is forming like this solid shape. We need to find this full volume. How to find this volume? We see here. Here already has given -1 to 1. The values are given that -1 to 1. So the volume will be, see, formula. It is about the x-axis means pi into A to B y square dx. With respect to x values are given over here. So pi as it is, A is equals to -1, B is +1. So -1 to 1 y square. So y value is given what it is over here. The curve is given that y is equals to pi by 3 minus x whole square. So 3 minus x is given. So whole square into it, y square. Now simplify this one. -1 to 1, 25. This 3 minus x whole square dx. Okay. Now say here, first 25 constant you can send outside. So 25 by integration -1 to 1. This 3 minus x whole to the power of -2 I am writing. Okay. So already you are aware of that integration of, suppose f of ax is there. Okay. So if integration of small f of x, let us assume capital F of x, assume. Again, you should do differentiation, the whatever the inner part. Like chain rule will apply over here, na, same like that only. But here division will come in. Okay. Now say here 25 by 3 minus x to the power of n formula, n plus 1 by n plus 1. Again, d by dx of, what is the inner part over here? 3 minus x. So, however the limits are given, so -1 to 1, we should consider. See here. So, it will be 25 by 3 minus x whole power -1 by, here -1. Okay, 3 constant is 0 and x differentiation is 1, so -1. So now you apply the limits -1 to 1. Now simplify this, minus a minus plus. It's 25 by 1 by 3 minus x you write down. Okay, -1 to 1. So 25 by upper limit first. 3 minus 1 minus lower limit next 3 minus of minus plus 1. So 25 by 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. So 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 how much? Again 1 by 2. So 1 by 4. Okay, 1 by 4. So it will be 25 by 4 pi. This is cubic units. Units cube. Volume no? Units cube. This is how we have to simplify. Okay. Now next. Suppose here about the y-axis is given. So about the y-axis means volume is equals to pi into what is that? A to B or C to D, whatever it may be, x square dy. So here the curve is given that y is equals to x square plus 2, but we need to find x square value. So x square is equals to y minus 2. Keep it like that. And the limits, suppose if I'm drawing this diagram once again, this will be like this, and this is 2, and this will be 11, and it is rotating, means around the rotating through 360 about the y-axis. It will form like this. So this volume we should find out here. Okay. So it will be pi 2 to 11 x square means y minus 2. Okay. X square itself y minus 2 dy. Now you integrate this. Integration of y means y to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 y square by 2. Integration of 1 means y 2 to 11. So it will be what it is over. Apply the limits 1 by 2. Upper limit 11 square is 121. Lower limit minus lower limit 2 square is 4. Minus 2 into upper limit is 11. Lower limit is 2. So which is equals to pi into 121 minus 4 is 117. So 1 by 117 divided by 2 minus 11 minus 2 is 9. 9 times 2 18. Now simplify this. If I'm using calculator, pi 2 LCM 117 minus, okay, 117 minus 36. How much? 81. So 81 by 2 pi cubic units. Okay, about the y-axis is like this. Now say here, okay, if the question is like this, like the diagram shows a part of curve is y is equals to 3x plus 2 by x and y is equals to 7. Line is given this, and curve and the line is given over here. Okay, now find the coordinates of p and q. That's fine. And find the volume about the x-axis. About the x-axis they said, okay, that's fine. First of all, I'm finding p and q values, intersection points. I'm finding this. Okay, so how will you find if y is equals to 7? Y is equals to 7. So actually y is curve is given 3x plus 2 by x. Y is 7 means 3x plus 2 by x. Simplify that. 7x is equals to 3x square plus 2. 3x square minus 7x plus 2 is 0. Okay, now factorization 3 times 2 6. Split it. Minus 6 minus 1. So 3x square minus 6x minus x plus 2. 3x if I take common, x minus 2 minus 1 common, x minus 2 is 0. 3x minus 1 and x minus 2 is equals to 0. So the values will be 1 by 3 and 2. So we got the p and q values, p and coordinates of p and q. So if x is equals to 1 by 3, what is the y value? Substitute. So the p value will be smaller is p, 1 by 3 comma 7, and q will be 2 comma 7. Now once again I'm drawing this diagram. See here. Okay, here only I will be doing this. So if I'm extending this, y is equals to 7. Here 7 is there, no? Here minus 7, same distance. Okay, and it will the curve will come like this. Okay, this is a rough diagram. This is 1 by 3 and this is 2. This volume It is rotating around 360 degrees. Okay, and we need to find the volume of the shaded only. Okay, volume of the shaded means say here. It is around the x-axis. Okay, about the x-axis, whenever curve and line is given means upper minus lower like that. Upper is line and lower is curve. So volume is equals to pi into, what are the limits over here? 1 by 3 to 2 up. So y1 square minus y2 square. Okay, into dx. Y1 is nothing but this one upper, y2 is nothing but this one. Okay, now, so say here pi 1 by 3 to 2, y1 square is 7 square, okay, minus y2 square. Y2 is how much over here? 3x minus 2 by x, 3x plus 2 by x, 3x plus 2 by x whole square into dx. Okay, now you simplify this. If I am simplifying that, pi into 1 by plus 1 by 3, 1 by 3 to 2, this is 49, a minus a plus b whole square. Okay, a plus b whole square means a square plus b square plus 2ab. X's cancel, 2 3 is 6, 2 is 12 into dx. Now multiply with minus symbol and simplify. Pi 1 by 3 to 2, 49 minus 9x square minus 4 by x square minus 12 into dx. Now if you simplify that, 1 by 3 to 2, 49 minus 12, 7, 37. And 9x square is as it is 4 by x square. Now split the integration and do 37 into 1 x, 9 into x square means x to the power of 3 by 3 minus here 4 x to the power of minus 2. If I take up x to the power of minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1, 1 by 3 to 2. Now simplify this one. 3 times 1, 3 times 3. So which is equals to pi into 37x and 3x cube minus 1. So minus and minus plus 4 x to the power of minus 1 is 1 by x I am writing. 1. Now you apply the limits, upper limit minus lower limit. Pi into 37, upper limit is 2, lower limit is 1 by 3. 3 into 2 cube minus 1 by 3 cube plus 4 into 1 by 2 minus 1 by 1 by 3. 1 by x now this is. So you close this, simplify that. Pi into 37, 6 minus 1 is 5. 5 by 3, 3, 8 minus 1 by 27. 8 minus 1 by 27. This will be 4 into 1 by 2 minus 3. So, and now simplify this one. What will you get over here? Pi into 37 into 5. 37 into 5. 185 by 3 minus, if I am taking 27 LCM. So, 27 into 8 minus 1, 215 divided by 3, 27 is then 3 nines. Now, plus 4 into 1 by 2 minus minus 6 plus 1 minus 5 minus 20. So, minus 20 See here, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 3. So 2 LCM 1 minus 6 minus 5 by 2. Minus 5 by 2 means into 4. 4 into minus 5 by 2 ones 2 to minus 10. Now if you simplify that, you write the exact values only 9 LCM. 9 LCM. So 185 into 3, 555 minus 215 minus 90. Now simplify, you'll get answer. Minus 215 minus 90. 250 by 9. So 250 by 9 by cubic units. Okay, now in the same way here also one more question is given. Past year's question paper. Now say here the diagram shows y is equals to 1, part of y is equals to 2 by root x plus 1. Show that y is equal to 2 by root x plus can be written as in the form of this. Okay, that we have to rearranging only. So y is equals to 2 by root x plus 1. If I am doing squaring on both the sides, what is that? Y square is equals to 4 by x plus 1. Okay, so x plus 1 is equals to 4 by y square. So x is equals to 4 by y square minus 1. X is equals to 4 minus y square by y square. Okay, so only they're asking us to show that this one only. So keep it like that as it is. So this one only. Okay, next. Second one, what it is over here. And find this area. Area we have to find now. So area is equals to 122 4 by y square minus 1 dy. So this simplify this. Integration 122 4 outside y to the power of minus 2 dy. Integration 122 1 dy. So 4 y to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 minus y. Overall, I am applying the limits 1 to 2. So if we simplify that, minus 4 by y minus y 1 to 2. If you apply the limits, minus 4 outside 1 by 2 minus 1. Here 2 minus 1. So 1 by 2 minus half. Minus half means minus half plus, minus 1. So it will be 2 times 1, 2 times 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 square units. Unit square. Okay. Now, next, what they're asking us to find the shaded region through rotated through 360 about the y-axis. About the y-axis, this. So this is 1 and this is 2 is given. Okay. And exact volume of this. So if I'm rotating like this, means if I'm extending like this, it will come like this. So this volume we should find. This full volume. So 1 to 2 is given. This is 2 only. So this is 1. Here 1. This is 1. And this is 2 means x equal to 1 means, yeah. Okay. Now, if x is 0 means y is equal to 0. Yes, correct. 1 to 2. Now see here. What is the formula for finding the volume about the y-axis? Volume is equals to pi into 1 to 2. Okay, x square dy. So already we got x value over here. Okay, x square dy. X square means pi 1 to 2 4 by y square minus 1 whole square dy with respect to y. Okay, now simplify this one. 1 to 2. Expand this a minus b square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. 2 4 is 8 by s y square into dy. Now split and do integration. So straight away I am doing 60 into your y to the power of minus 3 by minus 3 plus y 8 into y to the power of minus 1 by minus 1 1 to 2. Now, so it will be pi into minus 16 by 3 into 1 by y cube plus y plus 8 by y 1 to 2. Now substitute the values. It will be 1 by 8 minus 1, 2 minus 1 upper minus lower plus 8, 1 by 2 minus 1 close. Now see here, 5 into minus 16 by 3 minus 8 plus 1 minus 7 by 8. This is plus 1. 8 into minus 1 by 2. 2 times 1, 2 times 4. 8 times 1, 8 times 2. So it will be pi into minus plus 14 by 3 plus 14 by 3 plus 1 minus 4. So if you simplify this, pi into 14 by 3 minus 3. Pi into 3 LCM 14 minus 9. It will be 14 minus 9 is 5. 5 by 3, 5 units cube. This is how we have to simplify the problem. I hope you have understood my explanation clearly. Thank you.